Hi, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Joud Alshehri. I'm a graduate of master degree in quantum computing at King Fahd University, KFUBM, and my background is physics, a bachelor's degree at Princess Noor University, BNU. I have outstanding programming, research, analyzing, and more skills. My master thesis is quantum computing for finance application, including portfolio optimization and option price. The project was done in the IBM Quantum Lab using the programming language Python. I'm advanced in Python, so I'm interested in learning more about programming and coding. For this, I want to join the programming the foundation at Apple Developer Academic at Twig. I think it will help me a lot and develop my programming and application design skills. Finally, I'm sure that I have eagerness motivation to meet at challenge that Apple Developer Academic will definitely present. In addition, I'm confident that Apple Developer Academic will arm me with the right skills and knowledge to make significant contribution to the future of my society. Thank you for your time.